I have some denim scraps I'm looking to use up, so I made this simple coin pouch with a zipper opening and decorative stitching on the sides. Measure and cut 2 pieces of fabric that are 5 inches by 5 inches. I'll be adding decorative stitches in red and white on all 4 sides of both pieces. If you want to add decorative stitches, you may want to practice them on a piece of scrap fabric. This stitch pattern is number 46 on this machine. Put the zipper face down at the top of one of the denim pieces. Sew close to the zipper using a zipper foot. Repeat to attach the other side of the zipper to the other denim piece. Unfold and top stitch on both sides. Fold the denim pieces together with right sides facing. Make sure the zipper is open. Sew the sides and bottom with a regular foot. Go back and forth a few times over the zipper to secure it. Trim the ends of the zipper close to the stitches. You can finish the raw edges if you'd like. I'll just be using a lighter to get rid of the loose threads. Do a diagonal cut in your seam allowance at the top to get rid of bulk. Turn the pouch right side out through the opening. Poke out the corners and then iron on both sides. That's it, the pouch is done. Thanks for watching and let us know if you have any questions or comments. We'll see you next time.